Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day to teach you, to guide you, to practice with you all, and to enjoy this space with you all. I hope you're all doing well. To all the new practitioners who are joining us for the first time, a special hello, a special namaste to you. I really hope your journey with Times Health Plus from here on goes amazing. Let's start our practice. We will sit back on the mat. We are working on strengthening our hips today. We will keep the class simple. हम कुछ simple asanas और कुछ simple exercises करेंगे to strengthen the front, the back, the side and the inside part of the hip. There are different muscles. In the front you have your hip flexors, in the back you have your glutes, on the side you have your abductors, on the inside you have your adductors. आपको नाम याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, but I just want you all to understand there are different muscles on different parts of the hip which we have to work on in totality. हर मसल पे काम करना है, बॉडी के हर पार्ट पर काम करना है, so that there is no tightness and there are no joint pains. Especially as we age, as we grow, as we become old, the body naturally goes through a process of wear and tear. जहाँ पे आपका मसल, आपका जॉइंट अपनी स्ट्रेंथ लूज करते हैं. सो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू टेक केयर ऑफ द बॉडी, एंड दिस इज वन पार्ट ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर बॉडीज विच इज स्ट्रेंथनिंग, right? So we'll practice yoga, we'll do some asanas, we'll do some flexibility work, but we will also do some strength work to take care of our muscles, of our joints. इसी के साथ everyone, let's stand up on the mat. Shake the legs out, shake the legs out, shake the legs out. This is going to be a fun practice, okay? The first movement that we'll practice, it is just for us to mobilize and find range of the hip. Okay, this is just for us to open the hip. इसे हम simple leg circles कहते हैं. आप अपनी left leg को नीचे push करके रखेंगे. You will pick up the right leg. Watch me once, and you will circle the leg this way. 5 circles clockwise, 5 circles anti-clockwise. Simple movement है. आप और मैं हमसे साथ में practice करेंगे. अगर आप में से किसी को बैलेंस इशू है, if you feel okay this happens and you start dancing on the mat, it is absolutely okay. What you can do is you can use a chair or a wall or any furniture if you have around, or if you're practicing with your family members, एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के भी ये मूवमेंट प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू कैन मेक योर प्रैक्टिस फन, यू डोंट हैव टू मेक इट रिजिड. लेट्स बिगिन एवरीवन. लेफ्ट लेग को नीचे रख के राइट लेग वी विल सर्कल. आपकी बॉडी अपराइट रहेगी. ओके, यू आर नॉट मूविंग द स्पाइन, यू आर कीपिंग द चेस्ट अप. 3. Advanced practitioners, try to balance. Okay, try not to use support. 4. Use the hip. Okay, use this entire part of the hip. 5. Relax. Same leg anti-clockwise. 5. 4. 3. 2 and 1. Relax. Breathe. The same thing on the left leg. You this time push the right leg down. In case you're holding the wall, you can change your arm now, and we will circle 1. मेरे साथ करने की कोशिश करें. 2, 3. Circle the hip. Make sure it goes front, side, back, inside. 4 and 5. Reverse everyone. From the back slowly, let's go. 1. Circle. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Shake the legs out. Shake the legs out. This is a simple yet powerful movement for your hips. Okay, here you're isolating the hip, आप एक एक करके यू फर्स्ट वर्क ऑन द राइट साइड देन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड एंड यू आर मेकिंग श्योर कि आपका हिप डिफरेंट पोजिशंस में मूव हो रहा हो, यानी कि आगे, साइड, पीछे एंड इनसाइड. ओके, these are different movements of the hip. Let's understand. Watch the next thing that we are practicing. We will now do simple leg swings. Okay, इसे हम simple leg swings कहते हैं, जिसमें आपका leg आगे जाएगा और पीछे जाएगा and then later on side and inside. एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए सब लोग ध्यान से. You can use support here again. Let's assume I am holding on to something. You will bring your right leg up and back this way. आगे और पीछे. यहाँ पर you have to make sure that you're not moving the spine, okay? Nothing from the upper body. Upper body stays very, very relaxed and stable. You're only using the hip joint to move front and back. इसे हम 10 बार right side, 10 बार left side practice करेंगे. Let's do it together, everyone. If you can do it without support, you can keep your hands on the waist or here, or you can just use a wall, a window, a door panel just for you to take support. Ready? 3, 2, 1, we begin. Right leg, we go front, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4. धीरे से करना है. Make sure you're not hitting your foot down, okay? You slide your foot, 6, 7, use the hip, okay? 8, 9, and 10. And relax, everyone. Amazing, good job, beautiful. Let's do it on the other side also. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go front, back, 2, back, 3, back. Knees को soft रखेंगे. आपके घुटने को fully straight नहीं करना है. You can keep it slightly soft. 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, almost there, 10, back, and relax. Breathe. Amazing, everyone. These were front and back swings. So this worked on the front and the back part of the hip. I'm sure you felt it. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा engagement या burning sensation आगे और पीछे महसूस हुआ, then great. Your muscles were working. Now we'll do the similar movement sideways and inside. This time using the side of the hip and the inside of the hip. Okay, एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए. You can again use some support. You can hold on to a chair in the front or the wall and you will just go out and in. यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है कि आप अपने बॉडी अलाइनमेंट को चेंज ना करेंगे. आप आगे किक नहीं करेंगे. You're just going inside, outside, inside, outside and so on. Okay, so you're moving in this outside and inside range. You're not kicking diagonally. Let's practice 10 on the right, 10 on the left. साथ में करते हैं everyone. Smile on your face, chest upright. And we go out, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, good job, in, 8, in, 9, in, last time, and in and rest, breathe. Good job, everyone. You're almost there. Let's also finish it on the left side. Ready? We go out, in, slide your foot, in, 3, back straight, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, almost there, in, don't stop everyone, 8, in, let's go, 9, in, last, 10, in and relax, breathe, just stand still, okay? Let's take a minute here, resting, relaxing. Last but not the least, everyone, make sure you're following Times Health Plus on Instagram and YouTube so you are consuming the content we're shooting for you, okay? All the videos, all the photos, all the nice content we're shooting, make sure you make use of it. That way you can teach yourself on the mat and off the mat. I will now sign off. I will see you in the next class with the same energy, the same spirit. Till then, the usual, keep your spine up, keep your posture erect, have a big smile on the face, stay grateful always. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.